Ka jela ka don ka jingkerman basyan kan omdon kamshu ban thiet sniang na sabar ne na kabenta ban pendap do sniang ha ka jela hadien bikalayo ya commission ri sniang ba aspa klur tingka ya katai commission ri sniang la palai pai ba do menteri rang ba ka jela konrat ki sangma ha kasi palai ha office trikam jong ka national cooperative development corporation ha kanong ba Delhi ha kani ka si la don lang ru sumbut menteri rang ba ka jela ba prostun tensong baru menteri khana ka rep karyang ka sarkar pedeng Ukailash Chaudhry kumju ki he ke NCDC ha kani ka si menteri khana ka sarkar pedeng ula IT ru ya ka song pisa ka basan puar point lai puar klur tingka ka badai ka fast installment jong ka tei ka pigri mission.
Meghalaya government has realized that in order to bring back the economy and even to push things further, there needs to be special intervention at all levels, not just from the central government but from the state, at the district level and in different sectors, and involvement of the private sector and involvement of the farmers at the grassroots is going to be very critical to ensure that our economy bounces back. That this is, in the history of the country, this is the biggest piggery mission ever that has been taken up. And I would like to thank NCDC and Government of India for the support. And also I would like to thank our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister for his leadership in the department and the officials like Shri K.N. Kumar and the other officials who were the main people behind this vision and this project. And some of them have been able to join us today, some could not join us. But I think this is a great moment. We are all very thankful to all of you. And once again, I would like to congratulate all of you who have played a very, very important role in making sure that this project succeeds and comes to this level. We are going to target 18,000 breeders and 6,282 fatteners in this. We expect that on an annual basis, about 155 crores will be earned by the breeders, and fatteners will earn about 284 crores. We also expect that other butchers and kiosks and other service providers will again add another 207 crores. So we expect about 600 to 700 crores of revenue to be generated from this to the farmers. So it's a huge multiplier effect that we will see at the grassroots level. And that is the reason why, after doing all this analysis, we realized that this is a project that can really make a difference. It's a low-hanging fruit where the demand is there, the price is there, and we just need to connect the dots to be able to provide the opportunity to the farmers. And that's really what has pushed us. We also realized that in the whole Northeast, as was mentioned by Mr. I think Goswami, if I'm not wrong, that we have a shortage of almost 50% in terms of production in the entire Northeast region. And therefore, Meghalaya can not just simply look at Atmanirbhar for themselves, but we could actually look at expanding our production and servicing.